There are floating communities all over the world in South and Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. In Cambodia, we have 100,000 people living on the Tonle Sap Lake. Globally, Wetlands Work has estimated that millions of people are without sanitation in such floating communities, and many of these communities are marginalized and in poverty. So far, no one has come up with a good solution for treating waste coming from floating houses. So all sewage goes untreated directly into the water around the houses. This is a huge problem for the communities. Kids swim in the water and pick up various infections from the sewage. Being sick so often keeps them out of school and causes stunting, where mental and physical development can suffer. Grown-ups too are affected because things like vegetables and dishes are washed directly in the water. At Wetlands Work, we've been developing the Handy Pod, which is a simple, innovative sanitation solution for floating houses. It treats wastewater before it's released into the environment. This is how it works. To the user, they see a normal, pour-flush, squat ceramic pan, the same type they may have seen on land. This is important because it means people understand what the system is for and how to use it. Then, under the pan, we install a system to actually treat the waste. First, it goes into an anaerobic digester where microbes decompose it long enough to eliminate smells. After that, the wastewater flows into an open plant-filled section where more disease-causing microbes are destroyed. We've done testing that showed we were getting rid of 99.999% of E. coli with the Handy Pod. We've been working on the Handy Pod for several years to make sure it's something that users like, that it's durable and easy to maintain, and that it's effective at what it does, which is keeping water clean and people healthy. At the moment, we're working in several villages in Cambodia to develop a business model for distribution of the Handy Pod. We're working with another Cambodian social enterprise and local businesses to develop the supply chain to make Handy Pods available at a reasonable price. On the demand creation side, we're educating people on sanitation through community and school programs and doing promotional events. Our goal is to figure out how to create a market for the Handy Pod, how to make it a desirable product so that there are people who can benefit from selling and producing it, and everyone else can benefit from being able to buy a Handy Pod and to install it at their house. Beyond Cambodia, we'd like to bring the Handy Pod to other floating communities. Next year, we're planning to go to Bangladesh to install a Handy Pod at a school there. Our technology has a huge potential to improve lives by reducing disease while protecting the environment. From the Wetlands Work team, thank you.